That's like an topless, yeah. Obviously, I won't get anything covered or something because I'm not very absent. But that's like an topless, yeah. Everyone is very topless, yeah. And I'll go with it, yeah. I'll try and make it a good attempt. I don't know, I'm doing this is for purposes like this, but we'll just carry on. I'll put one there. As you can see by my reaction. Right here, I'm saying I'm going to use this for the bug. Just in case the bug will be on in the morning, I'm just going to do it now and the walks, yeah. So this will sound like, so this interior of Rook's friend's Fox Corsa, and it's run by Rook Corsa of the same car. I'm saying that the radio interior thingy looks like, pressing interior looks like, yeah, sounds like, yeah, I'm gonna. What? Go on right, 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 go on right. Okay, you get it now. It sounds plasticky, yeah. It sounds plasticky, right? So you know that. If you guys don't know that, yeah. Search that books of course the sounds on YouTube, yeah. And they can always say, you know what I'm saying. But man. Oh shit! I took off the present on the floor. Oh, then. Alright, bro, calm down. Alright, again, that is not well. Okay. The point is, it lived thingy, right? And, oh man. But anyways, those bugs can be annoying, you know what I'm saying? And, definitely an ant one. And if I see a flying ant, swear down, I will bash more harder, fam. Because I am just gently, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, okay, the bear, I'm gonna present a spider web, challenging, yeah, bye. This video that took longer as expected, and yeah, but then, yeah. Man, didn't mean to, but you guys should know what Pressing sounds like.